Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to add and subtract polynomials. So something important to know is that there's two different forms. We can do it vertically or horizontally. So let's practice some addition problems. We'll do a few where they're vertical and a few where they're horizontal. So let's start with addition. All right, my first example is 2x squared minus x plus x squared plus 3x minus 1. All right, so when we add polynomials, we pretty much just look for their like terms. So I know that 2x squared and x squared are like terms. So 2x squared plus x squared is 3x squared. Now I'll look for my x's. So I have a negative x and I have a positive 3x. So when I put those together, I should have positive 2x. And then finally at the end, I have a minus 1. So my solution will be 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Let's try another. I have negative 2ab plus b, that's my first binomial, plus 2ab plus a. All right, so I'm going to look for my like terms. I notice that negative 2ab and 2ab are like terms. So negative 2 plus 2 gives me 0. Should I write 0ab? What's 0 times a times b? It's just 0. So I don't need that part of my solution. Now I'm going to see if there's any other like terms. I have a plus b and a plus a. They're not like terms, but I will still put them as b plus a. So b plus a is my solution. All right, now I'm going to try some vertically. So let me get my black. Example 3, I'll have 4b to the 5th plus 8b plus 3b to the 5th plus 6b minus 7b to the 5th plus b. So, one thing I notice is that I have like terms within my second polynomial. So first I'm going to combine those. So 3b to the 5th plus minus 7b to the 5th will give me negative 4b to the 5th. And then I'll have 6b plus 1b is 7b. Now I will use this binomial and this binomial to combine, or to add. So I'll start off writing 4b to the 5th plus 8b plus negative 4b to the fifth plus 7b. So when I add 4b to the fifth plus negative 4b to the fifth, those cancel out. 8b plus 7b is 15b, and that is my solution. All right, let's try another. This will be our last example for addition. This time I have 20y squared plus 6y plus 5 plus, that's my first trinomial, plus 1y squared minus 8. I am going to want to set these up vertically. So I'll start with 20y squared plus 6y plus 7. And then I'm adding 1y squared. So I'm going to put that underneath my y squared. I need to group my like terms. And then at the end, I'll put negative 8. This time I do not have, right there, I do not have just a y. So that is why I leave this blank space. Now I'm going to solve. 20y squared plus 1y squared is 21y squared. And 7 plus negative 8. Whoops, how did I get 7? All right, so whoops, I noticed I made a mistake. Let me go back and fix it. This shouldn't be a 5. It shouldn't be a 7. It should be a 5. All right, so now I'm adding. I already did 20y squared plus 1y squared is 21y squared. Now, I have this 6y. 6y plus nothing will give me 6y. Yikes. And then 5 plus negative 8 will give me negative 3. So my final solution is 21y squared plus 6y minus 3. All right, now our next topic is going to be subtraction. So for subtraction, we can do the same thing. We can do it horizontally or vertically. So let's try one horizontally. I'll have, example 1. I'll have a to the 4th minus 2a minus 3a to the 4th minus 3a plus 1. Alrighty, so remember when we were first learning how to subtract integers, some people learned keep, add, opposite. Some people learned keep, change, change. We're going to use that rule in this instance. So we're going to keep our first binomial, change subtraction to addition, and then change, change, change. So we keep our first term, change subtraction to addition, and then all the terms in the second part that we're subtracting, we have to change. So now I can start combining. A to the 4th plus negative 3a to the 4th will be negative 2a to the 4th. Then I have negative 2a plus 3a, which will give me 1a. And then finally, I have this negative 1 at the end. All right, example number 2. Change the black. I have 3x squared minus 2x plus 8 minus x squared minus 4. So I'm going to rewrite it vertically. 3x squared minus 2x plus 8. Then the minus sign. And then we'll have x squared minus 4. Again, this middle section is blank. Now I need to keep my first term, change my subtraction to addition, and do the opposite and the opposite. So 3x squared plus negative x squared is 2x squared. Negative 2x plus nothing is negative 2x. And then 8 plus positive 4 is 12. And that is my solution. Let's try one more. This will be our last example. So I have 11z to the third. Ugh, I hate z's. I'm going to change them to x's. 11x to the third minus 2x minus x to the third minus 5. So first I'm going to write it vertically. So I have 11x to the third minus 2x. Then I'm doing subtraction, and I have x to the third minus 5. So I can't write anything in this x spot, but I'll add the minus 5. So this time, notice there's a blank spot on top of the 5 as well. If you want, you can always put placeholders like 0x and 0, but that's not necessary. All right, now we're going to keep our first term, change subtraction to addition, and do opposite, opposite, opposite. So 11x cubed plus negative x cubed is 10x cubed. Then I have negative 2x plus negative 0x. That'll stay as negative 2x. And then finally, I'll have 0 plus 5, which is 5. And that is my solution. Don't forget to fill out your essential question and your summary, and stay tuned for our next video.